Hello everyone. Welcome back to Guide Pro. In this video, I will show you how to add a quiz on your Instagram story. Quiz stories are a fun way to engage with your followers and see how many people can answer your questions correctly. First, open Instagram on your phone. Now tap on the plus icon at the top left corner. Next, tap on the gallery icon at the bottom left and select the photo or video that you want to post on your story. Once the photo or video is added, tap on the sticker icon at the top of the screen. A menu with different stickers will appear. Now tap on the quiz sticker. The quiz box will be added to your story. Type your quiz question. Then enter the answer choices that you want your followers to select from. Instagram also lets you choose the correct answer for your quiz. If you want, tap on the color option to change the appearance of the quiz sticker. You can also pinch the sticker to resize it and drag it anywhere on the story to adjust its position. Once everything looks good, tap on your story at the bottom. Your quiz story will now be posted and your followers can start interacting with it. So this is how you can add a quiz on Instagram story. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video and subscribe to Guide Pro.